Hello जी, how are you? Calendar free है ना for the next few days? हाँ? Free रखो भाई. We're going to Dubai. थोड़ा context first. So on 5th December, I got an email from the Google team inviting me to Dubai for the 1 billion summit, and I'll talk a little bit more about the summit in itself later on. I was like, what? पहली बात तो I have never traveled alone internationally. Traveled alone तो छोड़ो, I have traveled internationally only once. Okay, वो भी like 7 लोगों के झुंड के साथ. So when this opportunity came, I was like, मतलब डर भी लग रहा था, मन भी कर रहा था जाने का, एंड देन आई वाज लाइक no Tarani, you gotta do it for the plot. So the whole of December has just gone in sorting out the logistics, the documents. For the past 5 days I've just been trying to sort my visa out. मेरा visa literally कल आया है, like yesterday, and my flight is tomorrow. In the end, we have all the documents secured, and now we have to get to packing. In true planner spirit, I've made a whole Notion list with what I need to pack, what content I need to film while I'm there, and I love Notion. Let me know if you ever want a Notion tour. But now we gotta start packing. That took way longer than expected. थक गई हूँ मैं. फटाफट बताती हूँ क्या किया. I have kept my airport clothes right over here so that tomorrow morning at 4:30 a.m. मेरे को सोचना ना पड़े. Cabin के लिए I'm just taking my regular bag. It's very spacious. It's from Uniqlo. Passport and documents are here. For electronics and all my filming gear, I've made a separate pouch. This is from Daily Objects, and again, very, very spacious. Dhiram bhi aa chuke hain, guys. I used Make My Trips Forex exchange service where you basically have to place the order before 12 p.m. and the same day you'll get a delivery before 9 p.m. at your doorstep, which is pretty damn cool. Okay, I am gonna now go take a bath because I desperately need it. And kal subah I think 4:30 baje tak I have to get up. So I'll see you tomorrow. Good morning. We have successfully completed the immigration security. I'm just waiting at the boarding gate now. पहली बार T2 आए हैं यार, check out करते हैं. There's something called as the garden trail over here, and that's the path I'm walking on. I can't believe मैं 4 साल से बैंगलोर रह रही हूँ और पहली बार T2 आई हूँ. It's basically just a really long and beautiful walking path between boarding gates. So nice for fresh air. We're in Dubai. I just landed and my room is on the 49th floor and I don't know what to say. I'm तो not over these high-rise buildings only, like 49th floor पे हूँ मैं. फटाफट room tour. You enter from over here. Hi, hello. Behind me is this giant bathroom. मेरे घर से बड़ा है ये mirror. We have a bathtub. This is the washroom. There's a robe. I love robes. Shower. And this is the main room. Sorry if I look a little bit tired. I have had like a raging headache from all the travel. I've been up since like 4. And this is the view that I showed you guys before. I'm staying at JW Marriott Marquis. That's how Prashik told me to say it. He said it's French. So, Marquis. This is apparently the world's tallest 5-star hotel. Now, I have not fact-checked this, but I read this on Google. So, we don't have any itinerary for today. Everything starts tomorrow onwards. So, since I have the day free, I'm meeting a very, very good friend of mine, Krishna. You'll see him in a bit. Krishna and I used to work together in Taj way back in 2020. So, we go really way back. And yeah, I'm very excited to see him.
Baby, welcome to Dubai.
So, where are we going?
What's up? We are going to the Burj Khalifa at the top.
And then what are we gonna do?
Then we are going to
Some mall, you said.
We are going to Dubai Mall. Then we are going to watch a drone show, which is going to be fantastic.
Tarani and Krishna's day.
up at the top.
पहुंच गए.
पंछी बनूं उड़ता फिरूं मैं तो.
ठंड लग
पंछी
रही है.
बनूं उड़ता फिरूं मैं तो. ठंड तो हो रही है यार.
ठंड हो रही है कृष्णा.
चलते हैं.
ठंड हो रही है. It's so cold.
It is.
It's very cold.
अभी भी come to Dubai, bring sweater. It's, oh my god, that's so pretty.
That's the event that I'm going to.
Seriously?
Yeah.
Oh, crazy.
That's where I'm going.
Let's go.
That's why I stopped. It's looking so cute. It's a Burj Khalifa. It's in my frame. Hold. Like touch its little top. We are here at the Timeout Market. Timeout Market. What's special about this area?
There are 19 restaurants. All of them are Michelin guided, and trust me, it's one of a heck of a place. You'll love it.
हम लोग हैं अभी
Blue
ब्लू वाटर्स बीच पे. ड्रोन शो देखना है जो कृष्णा ने मेरे कान खा रखे हैं तब से. ड्रोन शो.
So, Tarini, how was your day? What did we do and what have we learned?
We have learned that I should sleep later. I should not sleep so early. But such is life, such is how I am.
It's
ये
true.
सीढ़ियाँ कितनी cool है.
And look at her go. Okay, I'm running here. Bye.
It's currently 12:06 a.m. and I've had a very, very long day. And tomorrow is actually going to be even longer, even more exciting because tomorrow is day one of the 1 billion followers summit, which is the whole reason that I am here in Dubai. It's world's largest global expo for content, and we're going to be discussing all things tech, AI, content, business, growth. So it's going to be fun. I'm of course going as part of Team Google India, which I am so grateful for. I'm sure tomorrow you're going to see a bunch of familiar faces. I'm very excited to meet everyone because हम जब से land हुए हैं तब से actually like ढंग से बैठ के मिले नहीं हैं सबसे. But tomorrow at 7:30 on the agenda is a team breakfast. सो जाते हैं आप, बहुत late हो गया है. Thank you so much for hanging out with me and I'll see you tomorrow at breakfast. Good night. We are ready for day one of the summit and I hope I get to show you my outfit later, but I'm basically wearing a quad set from Nefsfind. I love it. I think it's the perfect outfit for today. And these really pretty earrings that I picked up from Westside. My jewelry stack is the same otherwise as yesterday. And guys, what a lovely view to wake up to. चलो फटाफट जाके breakfast खाते हैं. We're now at the lobby just waiting for everyone to assemble so that we can board the bus and get going. This is the full outfit. It's from Nefsfind. I'm wearing heels, हाँ? दिख रहा है? Heels पहनी है. But then I think काफ़ी walking होगा तो मैंने literally अपने bag में like normal जूते भी रखे हुए हैं. So say hi. We're on our way to the summit. Day one.
Day one.
पहुंच गए. सुनाई दे रहा है कुछ? That is the future. No, that is the museum of the future. Miss Neha Doodles.
Yes.
What would you paint on the future of museum of the future? If you could doodle.
I think I would doodle the museum of the future because it is so.
So meta she is. Ow. Hello. We're ready for day one. मैंने ये same line पता 5 बार बोली है.
But
यही है.
shooting horizontally is the
This is for YouTube.
मैंने पर बनाया नहीं हमसे
बस यही होती है कॉन्वर्जेशंस, यही है कॉन्वर्जेशंस बस क्रिएटर्स की.
से स्टार हुई
हाय. बस यही हो रहा है तब से. हाँ ये व्यू टुडे इज मैजेस्टिक गाइज, मैजेस्टिक व्यू है ये. एंड वी हैव रीच्ड द वेन्यू बाय द वे. There we go. Where are you?
I'm honored because I'm in Tarni's vlog. Thank you.
Yeah, correct. Is this yours? Okay. Let's do a taste test. This is the limited edition Nano Banana Matcha Latte. That's actually fire. Let's give you guys a quick tour. Right behind me is the Mr. Beast pop-up. I can see his chocolates, but I'm yet to try them. And here we have our favorite, the Google Gemini Lab. They're giving some super cool drinks. Here Miss Shivangi is getting ready for her shot. There's some, I know that's not Shivangi. Very funny. I know what Shivangi looks like. Oh wait, that's you! चलो आगे और दिखाती हूँ. मेरे एक क्रिएटर पास से तुम सबको टूर मिलेगा. Here we have the house of Snapchat, and it keeps getting bigger and better. It extends all the way over there. It's genuinely batshit crazy that I'm here. Like, and I've shockingly met so many people who watch my content in Dubai. Hello? इसके आगे तो मैं भी नहीं गई हूँ, so we'll go together. मैं चलते चलते थक गई हूँ. मेरे हो गए होंगे आज आराम से like 10,000 steps and it's only like what 11 a.m. I just want to take a moment to appreciate the infrastructure of Dubai. Like everything is stunning to look at, beautifully maintained and functional. अभी we're gonna attend a few sessions. मैंने तो सुबह से एक भी नहीं करा है. And then I think we're gonna have lunch break. We are now here at the Snapchat lounge. ब्रो ये दुबई जहाँ से भी देखो ना, कोई भी एंगल से व्यू मस्त आता है. हेलो, गुड मॉर्निंग. आई एम सो सॉरी, मैं कल ऐसे ही सो गई बिकॉज आई वाज सो डेड टायर्ड. बट टुडे इज़ अ फ्रेश स्टार्ट. इट्स डे 2 ऑफ द समिट एंड अभी सब रेडी हो गए हैं. आवर बस इज़ हियर. देयर इट इज़ एंड वी आर जस्ट वेटिंग फॉर एवरीवन टू फाइल इन. फिर हम वापस ऐसा स्कूल की पिकनिक टाइप्स जाएंगे एंड टुडे इज़ गोना बी मोर चिल. आई थिंक all of us have explored a lot yesterday and सबने बहुत कंटेंट लिया है, सबने बहुत मस्ती करी कल एंड नाउ एवरीवन इज सेटल्ड इन, एवरीवन नोज कहाँ पे क्या है. तो आज चिल होगा. जवाब दीजिए, आप क्यों लेट थे?
लिफ्ट नहीं आ रही थी
क्यों नहीं आ रही थी लिफ्ट?
क्योंकि हम 53rd फ्लोर पे थे और हम स्ट्रेस से नहीं आ सकते थे.
झूठ बोला जा रहा है. उसने अभी कन्फेस किया था कि वो आ रही थी.
What is that shark floating up in the sky?
My wife शिवांगी.
भाई सही है, ये तो सेम लग रही है.
We have Taran Inception
action going on here. Yeah. We just filmed a fun little video for the YouTube India team.
Yes.
That was way harder than we expected because, like she said, the most too kiki person had to do like a poker face.
We shot for Google India.
I'm so sorry. Profesh right here, she corrected me. We did it for Google India, guys. Not YouTube India, part of the same company, but there's a difference. Let's keep that in mind.
Coming at you with a voiceover because after that we headed for the Google Gemini team dinner, and you guys, this was so much fun. I think being a part of a family like this, especially if you're a new creator, can be intimidating at first, but we were just laughing, playing games and खूब मस्ती करी. Like this was so much fun. बाद में we just sat down and these people specifically stopped talking the minute I whipped out the camera, but we were just watching like brain rot content on Tarani's feed at this point. It's funny because I never really get the chance to hang out with fellow creators back in Bangalore, so this just felt so nice. Good morning. Last full day in Dubai. I thought that we should go for a little swim. Dubki marenge thoda sa. Portrait number 72. It's a beautiful story about life, even though it might not seem like it, but it's a story about living and life. Cats Like Warmth is a movie where I think if you are like me and sometimes a little uncertain about where AI is going, I don't know where I stand with it, catch Cats Like Warmth. And the last movie I would recommend is Lily. This is also, spoiler alert, the movie that won the competition, which means that the maker of this film won the $1 million cash prize, and I highly recommend it. This movie is named after one of the daughters of the directors, and I saw traces of fatherhood in this movie. And yeah, chalo, let's go for a swim. I'm all ready for day 3. Today is the final day, and मेरे को actually breakfast के लिए late हो रहा है, तो फटाफट चलते हैं वरना बस निकल जाएगी. Where are we?
Alsif, guys.
Okay. Neha so kindly led us here. So all you have to do is put Starbucks Alsif and you should be able to find video.
He's from India?
Yes,
Which city?
Bangalore.
You come vacation?
She's very famous. She's a celebrity.
I'm not a celebrity. Say hello.
Hi. Hello. How are you, everybody?
So what are the 2 options?
I'm taking this for my manager and this for my other manager.
Wow.
Rani Pink and whatever.
Rani Pink. We're being full touristy now.
मुझे भी कर दो ये.
Mashallah. See? Mashallah, mashallah. Stalking.
Yes.
So, give us a mini haul.
We got this. This is 12 ml white oud. Only 50 dirham. Only for you. 50 dirham. Take it or leave it.
It feels like we're on the sets of Aladdin. I don't know how else to explain this. Later that evening, Krishna and I went back to the Dubai Mall because there was so much more to explore, and more importantly, I had to buy gifts and souvenirs for friends and family back home. So we went to candy stores and grocery stores because guess what? You put 2 chefs or ex-chefs together and they will indefinitely find themselves in a grocery store. And look at the size of the broccoli, and then there were fresh flowers, tulips, my absolute favorite. And I was just admiring the packaging of everything. I thought everything was so funky. I got so much inspiration as a very visual person. And yeah, then we headed for a very special dinner. Thank you for bringing me here, Krishna. Krishna has been the best shopping partner. We have shopped till we have dropped. Yeah. Dubai haul coming to Instagram very soon.
we have now come to this Korean hot pot place. It's called, I think I just became racist for a second there. Sorry about that. I genuinely don't know how to pronounce this. This is what it is. The first time I tried hot pot was in Thailand and in Vietnam, and both were insanely spectacular. मेरे को तो बड़ा मज़ा आता है. You get this hot pot situation on the middle of your table, which works as an induction. Here they've even kept the soy sauce, and the temperature and all is controlled from here. You don't have to worry about that. That the staff does for you. And here you sort of pick and choose all the ingredients that you want to add in your bowl. You know, like some sauces, oils, if you want to have fruit on the side.
So it has so many options. For example, vegetables
But
also.
you कितना आएगा एक में? पोर्शन साइज तो बताना चाहिए ना. ये दुबई मॉल में आ जाते हैं खोलने दुकान अपनी. All set. हमने गलती कर दी है. हमने पहले नूडल्स नहीं डाले, हमने सारी सब्जियां डाल दी उबालने.
मैं तो बोलता हूँ इसी में खा लेते हैं.
मुझे भी लग रहा है ये गिरेगा.
ये ब्लाउज
बोल रहा है ये ब्लाउज.
कोई मिल गया. Be very careful. Don't do this. Wrong foot. This
कर
ना.
क्या रहा है मेरे कैमरा के
Oh,
साथ?
sorry.
पहले ये देख.
Sorry.
हाँ.
कैमरा इंपॉर्टेंट है इसके लिए. अरे राइट फुट ऊपर रख. राइट. डोंट या अब देख, सीधा देख तेरा रास्ता कहाँ है. यस, लेट्स गो. रुक क्यों गई? पौधों में नहीं.
Morning, it's the last day. I have my flight to catch today. I'm just about to check out, but I thought I would sit and talk about the experience a little bit before we end this vlog. This was my first ever brand trip. Internationally, of course. I got the chance to meet the incredible team at Google and Collective, who have been incredibly kind and so efficient in making sure all the coordination goes smoothly. You know, handling the logistics of this many creators is not easy, and hats off to them. The Gemini team literally leaves no stones unturned, and every time I've been a part of this family, it just feels so warm and I feel like I belong there. I also want to take a moment to thank the creators who, you know, you guys caught in this vlog, and even the ones who I didn't get the chance to maybe talk to and feature. All of them were genuinely such sports and made this trip so much fun. Like, ऐसा कभी नहीं हुआ that like I felt कि like, oh, I can't talk to this person, and like, you know, I don't know, like वो कभी कभी होता है. At least मेरे को starting में होता था. They're so nice. I just love good people doing cool shit. From today, life goes back to normal, and I look forward to that. I look forward to meeting my mom, Mishti, my cat. I think hopefully Prashi comes to pick me up at the airport, and I'm looking forward to meet all my work friends, go back to work. I've gotten them like some goodies, so I hope that they all like it. There's so much work I need to get back to, both for Local Flamenco and my own content. My own content तो भाई मैंने इतना ले लिया है. It's gonna take me a while to like catch up. Well, let's see. I think you guys are gonna enjoy what's gonna be coming up. Also, I get a lot of questions about how do you get invited by Google, how do you attend these kind of events, like what's going on, what's the back end like, and I'm happy to share that. I don't have a clear answer is the only problem, in all honesty. Like I'm not gatekeeping this, I don't want to gatekeep it, but essentially I think it's all boiled down to your organic content. You want to make sure that you're putting out good content that resonates with people, encourages engagement. That's all that they're looking for, honestly. They're looking for a reliable voice. And mind you, this takes time. Like, I have not just joined the Google India team like this, you know. It's been a relationship and work in progress over the past year. I've worked on multiple collaborations. I have also attended a bunch of their events. It's a two-way street. The more you build together, work together, the teams and the creators sort of understand each other's synergies and see that, okay, is this something that we can take forward? And I'm sorry if this sounds a little vague, but that's genuinely the way that I see it. I even had the chance to speak to a couple of people from the Google team, the Gemini team, the people who take care of the content and the marketing and all of that. And this is genuinely what they say. I think if I had to give an advice, it would just be to put out good stuff that you're proud of, stuff that's honest, and the right people who want to work with you will follow. They will find you. Trust me, they have people employed whose entire job is to find people whose voice they can trust. And by the way, the 1 Billion Summit has been happening for the past 3 years. This is their third edition, and it's always open for like public and budding creators and everybody else in the content space to attend. The tickets go live on their website, so maybe just keep an eye out for that. You can follow their Instagram handle. One thing I truly recommend is after this blog ends, go to the 1 Billion website and have a check at the films that premiered. I've not been told to say this, by the way. Okay, like I genuinely was so mind blown by what Google Gemini and these incredible, talented people could put together in such a short amount of time that I just wanted to reach more people because there was so much heart and humanity put into it that I just hope it reaches more people. Like, I had goosebumps, bro. I'm not even kidding. But thank you so much for coming along for the ride and joining me in Dubai. I know I'm not very consistent on YouTube. यार थोड़ा मुश्किल होता है मेरे को. I gotta be honest, but I'm trying. I'm genuinely gonna be trying this year. So yeah, this was probably a long vlog. So let me know if you guys want this to be this long or you want it shorter. मेरे को just let me know the vibe that you're feeling. And yeah, I'll see you soon. Mwah.